Welcome everybody to WGN, and today we're going to be talking about the geography, government, economic, and culture of East Asia. First, there are 6 countries in East Asia: China, Japan, North and South Korea, Mongolia, and Taiwan. We're going to start off by talking about the geography of each of these countries. Let's start with China. China is the 4th largest country, but it's just smaller than the U.S. It has 4 times more inhabitants as the U.S. There are mountains and deserts in the northwest and west part of China. The east and southeast are the wetter and milder climates. Some of China's geographic features include the Himalayan mountains and the Yangtze River, which runs 3,900 miles. Monsoons are also a part of China's climate. The next country is Japan. Japan is just smaller than the U.S. state of Montana. It consists of 4 main islands: Kyushu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku. These islands are surrounded by more than 4,000 smaller islands. Japan's terrain is largely mountainous, and most large cities are positioned along the coast. Japan has a few active and many dormant volcanoes. Mount Fuji is located west of Tokyo on the Honshu Island. It's Japan's highest peak. Mild earthquakes are common, and the nation experiences all 4 seasons. North Korea. North Korea occupies more than half of the Korean peninsula. It is just smaller than Mississippi and is 20% larger than South Korea. Mountains and river valleys dominate the landscape. The majority of the population resides only about 1/4 of the land. The climate is continental with long cold winters and humid hot summers, interrupted by a 2-week monsoon. Now, South Korea. South Korea is slightly larger than Hungary. Its only land border is with North Korea. Around 65% of North Korea's territory is forested, and only 16% is suitable for cultivation. North Korea also have a number of islands. North Korea's climate is temperate, but high humidity makes summers hotter and winters colder. South Korea is prone to typhoons in the monsoon season and heavy flooding. Next is Mongolia. Mongolia is the largest intact grazing ecosystem in the world. It is about the size of the U.S. state of Alaska. Grasslands and semi-deserts cover up to 80% of the country's total area. Less than 1% of the land is suitable for farming. The grass plains of eastern Mongolia are considered to be the largest grazing lands in the world. The Gobi region of the north of southern Mongolia is desert and semi-desert. Mongolia has 3 mountain ranges. The highest is the Altai Mountains. The country's major rivers are in the north. Mongolia has an extreme continental climate with short summers and long cold winters. Mongolia is called the land of the blue sky because it averages over 250 days of sunshine a year. Rainfall mostly happens in the spring. Our last country is Taiwan.
Speak up.
Taiwan is a partially tropical island about the size of the U.S. state of Maryland. It is located 100 miles east of China. The north-south mountain range makes the backbone of the country. The highest peak is Yushan, which is 13,110 feet. To the west of the central mountain range is the fertile plain. Most of the population is located there, and agriculture is the main economic activity. Taiwan's north has a warm, humid summers and cold, rainy winters. Northern Taiwan is warmer and rain happens mostly in the summer. Typhoons are possible June to October. There's your geography.